Hello viewers, in this vlog we will conclude why US dollar is more valued than Indian rupee. American dollar is the widely accepted currency in the world. It is the 10th strongest currency in the world. On the other hand, Indian rupee is the domestic currency which is mostly used in India, Nepal and Bhutan. American dollar is stronger than rupee because of exchange rate fluctuations. There are three aspects which influence the exchange rate fluctuations. First one is interest rate fluctuation. Second one is inflation. And the third one is balance of payments. So we will see how interest rate fluctuation affects the currency fluctuation. For instance, if you deposit rupees 10,000 into Indian bank and you also deposit 10,000 rupees into American bank, for this you have to convert rupees into dollars. Say $1 is equal to 70 rupees. Therefore, 10,000 rupees amounts to $142.85. The interest rate in India is 6% and in US it is 2%. This is just for example because American interest rates are lesser than Indian interest rates. After 1 year, maturity amount of Indian bank is 10,600 rupees including interest. In US bank, it is $147.13 including interest. When at the time of deposit, the amount deposited is 10,000 rupees in both the banks. At that time, $1 is equal to 70 rupees. But after maturity, $1 became 72 rupees. That means to purchase $1, we have to pay 72 rupees instead of 70 at the beginning. This is how a dollar stronger than rupee due to interest rate fluctuation. The second factor which influences currency fluctuation is inflation. Inflation is a situation where prices of goods or services continuously increases. The third factor which influences the currency fluctuation is balance of payments. Balance of payments means amounts of imports and exports. In India, imports are more than exports. So this is the cause behind weakened rupee.